Hi, it's George O'Brien again. I'm going to stand firm on my decision not to build any more model aircraft. I've done enough of that. Paid my dues. Done some hard ones. Just because it wasn't tissue paper doesn't really matter. This one's going to keep buzzing. Here's some other things I did. This is my photo album. That there is a test fixture I built for Honeywell. It was for testing a media evaluation tool, which was a product they made for as a bonus to good prospective customers, which was a tool that would evaluate transmission lines for SLC loops, which is like a fire alarm detector loop for fire control panels, and it would simulate. The media evaluation tool would detect fault conditions on transmission lines. So this test fixture would simulate fault conditions by simulating an alternate marking signal and introducing fault conditions to the waveform. And the media evaluation tool, which was hooked up to it being tested, would have to respond to it correctly or else it would fail the test. So that's something I designed and built for Honeywell. Here's Russian picnic phonograph. Works good. Another picture of it. Here's a transformer tester I built for Honeywell. My brother helping me prepare the floor. I think that's the same transformer tester. This is another fixture I designed, which the technician did a really good job of building. I can't remember what it tested, but it was. I tried to make it a little more self-contained, but we had to have a power supply associated with it. You can see in that page, power supply on the right in the blue. I didn't have the program I needed to evaluate what components I needed to make it self-contained, so that didn't happen. Some more pictures of it. I designed it, but the really excellence was in the building by the technician Art Kozlowski. These Polish technicians are really sharp, in my experience. Here's a little test fixture I built to apply signals to a short circuit opens to some kind of an input. I can't remember. Here's the Met1 media evaluation tool. Test fixture again. There it is again. See the knobs for adjusting it and switches and everything for setting up the fault conditions. There's some more of it. Here's the Victrola, Model 10 Victrola, 1917. Got it for $75 at the Redwood Grill Flea Market in Wallingford, Connecticut. Put about $200 worth of work into it. It's a Victrola Repair Center in St. Johnsbury, Vermont. It's worth probably about $400. They made a lot of them, so they're not really. This is a circuit board designed for another transformer tester. Made a bunch of them. Keep the people out of it. Don't want to embarrass anybody. That's a Edison cylinder phonograph I was going to buy, but I didn't get the authorization to buy that. There's another picture of it there. Really wanted to get one of those, but it's a bit of a luxury. Not much room for it around here anyway. This thing's falling off. Some of the cylinders that go with it. That's a transformer tester I built. Bare Essentials transformers, checking for reverse polarity with AC indicators. Another picture of it. Another picture of it. Used wire nuts to make the connections. Another picture of it. That's how, probably to keep it simple, that's probably the way I should have done it all along. Some more pictures of it. Just another transformer just in the background. Try to turn the pages. Here's the waveform from the media evaluation tool, MET1 test fixture, built in a marking signal. That's before I corrected the ringing and the response and the network. It's a little bit overshoot. I corrected that though before I left the company. There it is again, hooked up to the oscilloscope. More transformer testers. The transformer tester. See it there. That's with the automatic actuator built into the plug that sticks out from the front. Mechanical mechanism I designed and built with the Lamb's help, the technician. Well, he's more of an engineer, really. That's a 5024 UD test fixture, one of my first designs. Power control panel. His zone inputs. Another transformer tester. Maybe a lot of transformer testers. That's the 5024 without the UD, I think, is what that was. Similar to 5024 UD. That's a Victrola with a little dog that heard his master's voice. I can't remember his name. A statue on top of it. Some of my records. Standard Time Travelers group I was in. This is at the Victrola Museum in Delaware, Dover, Delaware, Washington Monument, Victrola Museum, Victrola Museum. There was a Grammy that Eldridge Johnson won posthumously for his contribution to the recording industry in the form of the motor he developed for driving the Victrolas. It advanced the industry a great deal. Another Victrola. There's another one. Washington Monument again. Subway in DC. That's my Victrola. Museum in DC, Smithsonian. My picture photograph I own. I want to look at that. My Victrola.